everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Now I do have to say I have my baby in front of me playing, so if you do hear any noises or anything like that, that is just him, but he's just doing his own thing right now. So as you can tell by the title, this is a Kmart haul. Now I haven't done a video in a very long time, and my last video was also a Kmart haul, but this one is even better. You know how you just in the right place at the right time sometimes? Well, today I was definitely in the right place at the right time, and this is my PSA to everyone to get to your Kmart because they are doing their, I want to say, annual markdowns because of change of seasons coming into summer months. They are clearing out their winter items. So I wanted to show you what I picked up and also let you know I just figured it out, worked it out. I have saved today $154.50. So the total that all of these items should have been was $180.50, and yeah, I spent $26. Now, I purchased items on behalf of my sister-in-law as well. These are not all for my son, but let's get into it. So we have bluey tracksuit pants. Yes, they even have like stuff like this, $2. Everything was $2. So these were usually $18. I actually got two pairs of them. So one for my son and then one for her son. This jacket, now my son is literally 8 months old. This is a size 4, but I was like, this is too cheap not to. A puffer jacket for $2 with a hood. Like, I had to. All of these clothes, I just had to. This is for my nephew, so Minecraft shirt, usually $10. He's going into daycare next year, so she said this is amazing, like definitely for daycare. $15. This is such a nice hoodie. I didn't want to get too many things for my son in bigger sizes, but yeah, really, really nice. I know that each Kmart will be different with what they have, but as I said, I just want to show you what was in my local store. This is for another one of my nephews, super cute. I actually do really like this, but again, this is a size 9, and I don't want to store clothes for that long. These tracksuit pants, they have like they're like the jogger style. They're actually really nice. They're usually $13. Again, I don't know if I told you this jumper, $10 for that one usually. Usually, as I said, everything was $2. This one is usually $12, just a plain zip up jumper. This one is super cute. Again, this was usually $8.50. So that one. I picked up these. Now I know they're size 4. They didn't have any smaller, but I just thought they were really nice. They're usually $18. So I got the grey, which looks like that. Oh, it's better to show you like that actually. And then I got a navy one because I really like, personally, plain clothes. So I thought they're very like basic. They're not going to go out of style. This is like really nice. It's like a little bit of a thicker shirt with a little pocket. I really like this one. That was usually $10. And then this one was usually $10. A Batman shirt. And that is everything that I picked up. As I said, massive savings to be had. I will definitely be checking out other local Kmarts in my area because I was just beyond blown away and so excited. The lady was literally putting the tags on and I was just like going through all the stuff. It was just the perfect timing. So if you grab anything in this change of season sale, let me know down below what you get. I would love to hear from you. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.